Formatting long documents quickly with styles and themes. If you work with long documents, like work reports or essays for college, you'll want your document to be consistent throughout, with the same appearance, same alignment, and reusing the same conventions. For instance, if you cite a source or if you quote a person, you'll want the same styles applied to these elements. In this video, we'll look at what is a style in Word and how it can help us achieve this consistency, how to apply a style to a paragraph or text, how to define your own style, and we'll talk about styles with themes. But first, what is a style and how do I apply it to a paragraph or text? In Word, a style is a combination of the settings in the font group, the paragraph group, and some other settings as well. If you look at the Home tab, on the right there's a section called Styles, and these are the predefined styles you can use in your document. For instance, the top of the document has a title, so rather than designing it from scratch, I can use title from that list. And then first level heading, using heading 1, which I can then very consistently apply to all other heading 1 text in my document. So there are the title and heading 1 styles. I'm going to add a subsection within paragraph styles. I'm going to choose heading 2, which is a level 2 heading. And then for my next subsection, also clicking heading 2. There are more styles in this dropdown. Just click the arrow to see them. Some of them, heading 1, 2, 3, title, are used when we generate tables of contents, which we'll look at in a different video. And some are used just for paragraphs to change the appearance of the paragraphs. If you have a quote in your document or something that you want to stand out, for instance, I have this quote here, you can choose one of the quote styles. This one, or the intense quote. That will really stand out. That's how you apply styles. How to define a style. You may not find in this list the style that you want. You may want to create your own style, for instance, for quotes, something slightly different. So make changes to your paragraph as usual. I'm just going to apply a border to my paragraph. And I'm going to change the background color and the indents on the left, the indents on the right. Simple. I'm going to call this green quote and save it in my document. To create your own style so that you can use it again, go into the Styles dropdown, select Create a Style, and you will see that what's recorded is your selection on the document. So it's really important that you select the formatting you want to use as a style. You go into your style drop down, create a style, and now give it a name. Any name you want, and click OK. Now if I look at that drop down, I can see the style that's currently used is highlighted, it's green quote, and I can apply to other quotes. Here's another one. And here's another one. You may change your mind about a style. You may want to adapt it to your needs. So for instance, if I wanted to change the color of the background, I'm going to use a paragraph that already has the style applied, make the changes, and then to reflect that in the style, I can right-click, choose one of the options here, update green quote to match my selection, or click Modify to see more options. Now that I updated my quote to use yellow, throughout the document, every quote is yellow. Using styles with themes. Just like styles are collections of font and paragraph settings, we can use themes, which are collections of styles and design features. If I go into design, you'll see different options here for my document formatting. So from this list here, I'm going to choose a style set. Okay, as the name implies, it's a collection of styles. And you can see as I hover over each style set that fonts for the document change, and special text like titles, headings will also have their own setting. In this one, they're numbered. In this style set, titles and headings are centered and the font is changed. So you can choose a style set from the gallery. You can choose a different combination of colors. Green, yellow, red, violet. And you can see some elements of the styles will change. You can also keep your style set, change the colors, but also change the font combination that's applied to this. So what we're effectively doing is creating our own theme for the document. A combination of style set, colors, fonts. You have a lot of built-in themes. You can create your own theme by saving your changes into this list. But that's beyond the object of today's video. So have fun with styles.